friends, I hope you all are having a great day. I am Avneet. I am GK teacher from St. Mary Convent School, Haldar. Today I am going to tell you about the national symbol of our country. I hope you will enjoy learning with me. So let's get started. National symbols of India represent the country's image. Indians across the world are proud of these national symbols. Now we will see what are our national symbols. The national flag of India. Tiranga is the national flag of India. It has three colors, deep saffron, white and green with Ashok Chakra at its center. The top saffron color indicates the strength and courage of the country. The middle band indicates peace and truth with Dharma Chakra. The green color shows the fertility and growth of the land. The Ashok Chakra has 24 spokes. The national flag was adopted by Constituent Assembly of India on 22nd July 1947. The national emblem of India. The lion capital of Ashoka at Sarnath is the national emblem of India. It consists of four Asiatic lions standing back to back on a circular abacus. It stands as a fully bloomed inverted lotus form. The national motto is Satyamev Jayate, whose English translation is Truth Alone Triumphs. The national anthem of India. The national anthem of India is Jana Gana Mana, Hindi version of an anthem that was originally composed in Bengali by Rabindranath Tagore. It was adopted as the national anthem of India on 24th January 1950. The national song of India. Vande Mataram is the national song of India. India's national song was composed in Sanskrit by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Initially, Vande Mataram was the national anthem of India, but after independence, Jana Gana Mana was adopted as the national anthem. National animal of India. Tiger is the national animal of India, also known as the Lord of the Jungle, and displays India's wildlife wealth. The Bengal tiger was declared as the national animal of India in April 1973. Prior to this, the lion was the national animal of India. National bird of India. The peacock is the national bird of India, commonly known as the Indian peafowl, was declared the national bird of India in 1963 because it was entirely a part of Indian custom and culture. A peacock is a symbol of grace and beauty. National flower of India. The lotus flower is the national flower of India. It is the flower of goddess Lakshmi and symbolizes wealth, prosperity and fertility. It grows very uniquely in dirty water and symbolizes purity. National game of India. Hockey is the national game of India. Hockey, when declared as the national game, was very popular. The game has seen a golden era during 1928 to 1956 when India won 6 gold medals in the Olympics. At that time, India had played 24 Olympics matches and won all of them. National fruit of India. Mango is the national fruit of India. Mangoes are native to India and thus truly Indian. Since time immemorial, mangoes have been cultivated in India. The great Mughal Emperor Akbar had planted about 1 lakh mango tree in Lakhi Bagh in Darbhanga. The national currency of India. Indian rupee is the official currency of the Republic of India. The flow of this currency is controlled by the Reserve Bank of India. The symbol of the Indian rupee is derived from the Devanagari consonant R. The Indian rupee is named after the silver coin which is called rupiah. I hope you liked the video. Thank you.